What's up guys, super quick video today. Just want to show you guys what showed up and what's in the box. Okay, so here's the box that just showed up. I think we're still missing one more box that's containing the rest of the stuff, but let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. Okay guys, so here they are. We got the Spohn, however you want to pronounce it, performance rear adjustable control arms. So we got the uppers and the lowers. This stuff is awesome. I got an exceptional deal on this. We still have one more other Spohn component coming. So we have the Panhard bar coming, but I got this stuff for a smoking deal. It was 400 bucks shipped on eBay for all of this, as well as the tracking bar as well. But not only that, but I was very careful with my purchase because it was $400 shipped, and at the same time I ended up using one of those eBay coupons which gave me $50 off. So I got this stuff for 350 bucks, guys. These things are expensive. They're like a few $100 just for the upper or the lower. Never mind both sets and the trailing or tracking bar. So this is a smoking deal on this stuff, but we're gonna get into this on another video. And I'm not going to give away why I got this yet, but not only that, these ones are the upgraded ones. They have the Del Sphere bushings and not the polyurethane. So they did used to make these with polyurethane, but they don't. They started making them this way, and these are the better way to go. The history on these were the guy installed them on his truck and obviously barely used them because they look brand new. He installed them and then took them back off. So that's what we got. I'm not gonna tell you guys why I got these just yet, but we'll get into that in another video. This is gonna help with wheel hop and stuff like that, but there's another reason why I got them. Okay, so thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up for me. Make sure to leave me any comments or questions you might have on these bars in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe. Lots of content. If you're stopping for the first time, check out the rest of the content on the channel. We've already covered a lot, but we're still doing a lot more. So as always guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the Instagram page as well, Boosted Motorsports, exact same spelling, no spaces, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.